What's up guys, Danny Z here, back again with another DIY video. Today we're going to be switching out the fog lights on my MJ. If you've seen the other videos, then you know that she is a 10th gen Honda Civic Si. She is the love of my life. And I already did this fog light, the driver's side. I'll show you what that looks like when it's on. So today we're going to be doing the passenger side. I'm going to show you how to do that, just so you can see what it looks like. I went ahead and did the red LED bulb, and that's how this one's gonna look when we're done. Alright, so first thing you are going to need is some pry tools. This is gonna help you get off that front panel. I got these off of Amazon. It was like 14 bucks, super cheap, super cheap. You're gonna wanna get one like this, stick it in the panel here. And there's clips that clip onto your front bumper, and you're just gonna wanna push those down. There's usually one right here somewhere. If I can get in there. Let's do it this way. There we go. This one right here. I'd be afraid to wedge it in there. There we go. Okay, gotta get these side ones out. This top one is being stubborn. There we go. This side one. Oh. Okay. So once you got that off, there's a piece in here that you got to pull off as well. It's a little stopper so that the panel doesn't fly off when you're driving your car. And if you have one of these tools, it's going to be the best one to use. So focus up in there. If I remember right, this one's harder than the driver's side. That was super difficult to get out, but that's what you need to get out. And once you get that out, the whole thing comes off. And then there you go. Free to move about with your fog light. I'll put my hand into dual locks here. Alright, you're gonna remove the screws. once you've successfully removed all of the screws, you're going to see a cable back here that's connected to the fog light. So you're going to want to remove that. Like that. And then this is going to turn and you're going to pop that right out. Go ahead and get your replacement bulb. And you're going to put that sideways like how the other one came out and just turn it back in. Boom, bam, boom, you're all done. Going to go ahead and hook this back up here. Easy peasy. And then I always like to put a screw in there just to help hold it, so I'm not sitting there trying to fiddle around with my fingers and the screw with the screwdriver. Go ahead and do it a little bit tight with your hand as tight as you can, so it holds. That way you can get the screwdriver and finish that job up. Then once you get this last screw in here, you can go ahead and put that panel back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Definitely don't want it wiggling around. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is put that pin back in. So get your pin. Go ahead and place your panel. And then push that pin right back in. And once you have the pin back in, just go ahead, snap everything else in. Nice and tight. All right, let's see the finished product. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Wow, it just makes the car look 10 times better. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more DIY tips. Peace.